So I haven't done a vlog in a very long time, but we're going to. Say hi, Josiah.
Hi.
So yeah, we're doing a vlog, and here's my niece.
Hi.
Vanjie. Well, Rose Evangeline. And here's my other niece, Eva. Thanksgiving weekend, so I'm like, let me just do a Thanksgiving vlog or something. So I'm gonna go see my friend, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so I decided to wear something nice and casual because my friend and I are meeting. We were gonna go to like a dress-up place, but we decided to go to like less of a dress-up place. So I'm just wearing leggings and like a black turtleneck, and yeah, I like my hair. Like, I'm feeling my hair and my lashes and everything. The mirror is so dirty, you guys, how embarrassing. And the bathroom's dirty too, but don't act like you can't relate. We all have dirty bathrooms sometimes, okay? It has been such a long time since I've done a vlog. A lot of things have happened. Like, I got married. A lot more things are going on, but that's some news you're gonna have to wait for. But yeah, like, I'm just overall very happy and very blessed. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say except for like, I'm just so blessed. I'm driving my mom's van right now because that's just what's comfortable for me. Like, I don't know why, like, I feel like my like the higher cars, like SUVs and stuff, and vans are much more comfortable for me to drive than just the regular low cars. I used to love me a low car because I just felt like it was so sexy. And look at me, like in a mommy van. But yeah.
Lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the rim.
So guys, we agreed that it wouldn't be like a dress-up thing, and my girl came in a dress. And I'm here in leggings and a turtleneck, like. Yeah, so as you can see, my girl is down to heels. Down to heels.
They're wedges?
Okay, they're heels. Okay, and I'm here in sneakers.
Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain.
So we are at my big sister Claudie's house right now. We're just chilling. Okay, can you imagine? My sisters have not watched Squid Games. Okay, I'm the only one who actually finished it. So, hello, Sophie. But yeah, so we're gonna watch Squid Games, but the kids have to go upstairs, which they're doing right now. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna finish that. And yeah, tomorrow's a really busy day because we have to do a whole bunch of cooking for Thanksgiving. So.
Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter.
Okay, so
But she ran to the
I need to do this really quickly. You see Josiah singing in the background, but yeah. I'm gonna try to prank Kadeen. It's like this prank about like when you pretend that like, you know, this is your real hair and stuff. I don't know, I saw it on Instagram somewhere, so I'm like, I want to see his reaction if I go on camera and I go, yeah, my hair grew so much, so like, I think he's here, so yeah. There's way too much to do when we get back home. Why?
Because they're all under the sea, all everything's inside of it.
Hi everyone. I know it's been a while since I recorded a video, but I really wanted to talk about my friend's hair care line, Hair For You. And you guys, like, I have been trying for so long to grow my hair, okay? And You're not in the video. I have to put like the ad so you'll be covered. Okay. Ever since I started these hair products, like, do you guys see how long my hair is? Do you see how long?
What a fraud.
Kitty. Do you see how long my hair has gotten? Even my edges are growing back and everything. Like, I don't know. You guys, honestly, stop making me laugh.
Yeah, you have a wig on and you're telling them that. You're a fraud. Don't buy shit.
Okay,
You're a fraud out your money.
Querida, I'm getting paid for this.
Yeah, that's why. He's getting paid to lie to you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me redo this. Okay guys, yes, so like you can see my edges grew back and everything, and look, like this is like basically like the length of my back, right? Like why do you look like that?
Don't, man, yo, I'd rather pay you not to do this video at all. You're a damn fraud. How does the wig grow?
No,
What is it,
it's my
Miracle
real,
Grow?
it's my real hair.
Oh yeah, with the lace showing right there.
Oh my gosh. Why
No,
so
no,
disrespectful?
What are you, a chia pet?
I think you should go ahead and purchase this product. It's gonna make your hair nice and thick and long. And my hair grew in like, what, 2-3 months?
In 1 hour?
So yeah, definitely go and get hair for you. I will put a promo code. Okay?
Yeah, paid for what? To grow a chia pet wig? What the heck am I seeing here?
Guys, so I did like a half up, half down situation with my hair. I don't know if I like it yet, but yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for Thanksgiving dinner. So guys, I wanted to do the half up, half down look, but I decided to go with this instead. Just simple middle part. Yeah. Anyways, it's time for
Why you
dinner.
wanna run away?
Sorry.
Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that.
I was planning on filming Thanksgiving dinner and us eating and talking, but you know, Thanksgiving, it was just bare jokes and stuff. So we're gonna do a fire pit. I just need to change my outfit because I'm wearing a dress right now and that's not gonna be comfortable outside. So yeah, I'm gonna change my outfit and then yeah, I'm gonna start a fire and stuff.
This just looks like this. I feel like
Hi guys. What are we about to do? Come together. Tell us what we're about to do.
we're gonna burn s'mores.
You're gonna burn s'mores.
No, you're gonna roast them. You're gonna roast
Yeah,
them.
nice.
Daddy!
Saya, are you excited?
Yeah!
Wow.
Why you move to the right? Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you.